Greetings and welcome to the lesson. We are going to answer question number 5, April 2022 Boardroom Dynamics. Question 5A, I read, technology consistently brings us many innovative tools and offers extended functionality, including the ability to attend virtual board meetings. With reference to the above statement, analyze 5 benefits and 5 challenges of virtual board meetings. So this is 2 questions in one, benefits and challenges. Benefits and challenges. So we begin by analyzing the benefits of virtual meetings. Benefits of virtual meetings. What are virtual meetings, first of all? Virtual meetings are meetings of a governing body. All right? Because these are benefits of virtual board meetings. Benefits of virtual board meetings. What are virtual board meetings? What are virtual board meetings? Virtual board meetings are meetings of a governing body, such as a board of directors, that take place in a digital or online environment instead of the traditional in-person setting. Is a board meeting that takes place on a digital platform in a digital environment. So what are the benefits of having a board virtual meeting? One benefit is accessibility and convenience. Accessibility and convenience. Virtual board meetings enable directors from different locations to do what? To participate without the need to travel. That is convenience. This convenience allows for more frequent and timely meetings. It's convenient to have virtual meeting than the physical meeting. So accessibility and convenience is one of the main benefits of virtual board meetings. 2, cost savings. Cost savings. By eliminating travel expenses, virtual board meetings can significantly reduce the overall cost of board operations, making efficient use of resources. 3, flexibility and scheduling. Flexibility and scheduling. Virtual board meetings offer greater flexibility in scheduling, accommodating the availability of board members across different time zones and across different busy schedules. Flexibility in scheduling. The 4th benefit of virtual board meeting is improved efficiency. Improved efficiency. Board virtual meetings improves efficiency. Virtual board meetings can be structured to focus on essential agenda items, promoting a more concise and efficient discussions. 5, enhanced security and confidentiality. Enhanced security and confidentiality. Now, candidates Modern virtual meeting programs come with robust security features, ensuring that sensitive board discussions and materials are protected. That is one advantage of virtual board meetings. Then let's look at the challenges. Challenges of virtual board meetings. What are the challenges of having virtual board meetings, meetings that are held online? The first obvious challenge is technical issues. I know some of you may have had some online meetings, virtual meetings, and you must have experienced technical issues when attending virtual meetings. There could be what we call technical glitches, such as internet connectivity problems, or even software malfunctioning, which can disrupt the flow of a meeting and hinder effective communication. Technical issues. Number 2, limited nonverbal cues. Limited nonverbal cues. Virtual meetings may lack the richness of nonverbal cues present in face-to-face interactions, making it harder to gauge participants' reactions and engagement. It's not easy to have to communicate non-verbally because of the limitation of having the meetings online. There are also cyber security risks. Cyber security risks. This is also a challenge. Virtual board meetings may be susceptible to cyber attacks, would compromise confidential information and board deliberations. 4, engagement and attention. How is engagement and attention a problem? Maintaining the engagement and attention of all board members during virtual meetings can be challenging because of disruptions in remote settings, which may lead to reduced focus. Attention. Paying attention when holding virtual board meetings can be a challenge. 5, inclusive participation. Inclusive participation. How is it a challenge? Now, ensuring equal participation, ensuring equal engagement from all board members can be more difficult in virtual meetings, especially if certain individuals are less comfortable with technology or less assertive in remote settings. So these are 5 challenges. 1, technical issues. 2, limited verbal cues. 3, cyber security risks. Number 4, lack of attention. Number 6, it's not easy to have inclusive participation. 5 marks. We had discussed the benefits earlier. One benefit of virtual board meetings is accessibility and convenience, cost savings, flexibility and in scheduling, it leads to improved efficiency and enhanced security and confidentiality. 5 marks. That is part A.